Hello, and thank you for using the TrainTrack software. In this video, we will be going over how to navigate the report menu. First, you'll click on Reports from the menu bar at the top, and this will take you to your report menu. All the reports will be grouped together based on their category. All of your class reports will be together, so you can print any rosters or completed class rosters. Then you have your complete reports. These reports will include completions that are complete but not expired within your selected date range. Then you have the completed reports. These reports will actually include completions within a date range that include training that is now expired. The history report at the bottom here will include all completions within your selected date range, and it will actually include all historical completions as well as training and employees that are now inactive. So this will include things like expired training, failed training, completed training, for all historical completions for all employees and training records that you have, even if they're now inactive. Then you have the due reports that just show you all the training due within a selected number of days that you select. And then the employee training reports will include your list of employees, supervisors, and job titles. The required training reports will show you requirements and exceptions for each training. And then the status report will show you status of all the required training. So please make sure that your training records that you'd like to see reports for or status reports for have requirements added. If a training does not have requirements added, the employees will not show up on the status or the due reports. Then we have the training reports. So anything that includes your training list of active and inactive training list with your parent-child modules and series, and all your exam questions and answers as well. And lastly is the audit trail report. So record changes will show you an audit trail of all the record changes for your database. So things like, completions, adding training, editing training. So anything that's added, edited, or deleted as far as your employees' completions, your training records, things like that will be included on there. And the user logins will show you all of the login attempts, successful or not, into your TrainTrack website. Let's look at a report. Let's look at the due report for an example. So here you can select any number of days to show you training due within. So let's say I want to see only training due in the next 7 days. You'll click 7 and then click update, and this will show you everything that is past due and due within the next 7 days. So you'll notice that here. And please note that you can sort all of the reports by any column by clicking on the column name to sort one way, and then click again on the column header to sort the opposite way. If you need to sort by 2 columns, you can actually first figure out the second column you'd like to sort by. So let's say job title. First, you'll click on job title to see what that column name is. So at the top, you'll see here it says order by equals title. So the name of the job title column is actually title. So what we can do is go back to have it sort by first name again. We'll put a comma, title, oops, hit enter, and now the report will be sorted in ascending order because it says ASC, or we can change this to DESC if we'd like this to be sorted the opposite direction. When you want to go back to a different report, you can click on Back to Report menu and then select a different report. Let's take a look at the complete report for an example. What you can do is select or type in a date range. So let's say I'd like to see everything just from this year. I will select the start and end date range and click on update. Please note when there is a date range involved and you need to sort, you'll want to click on the column header first and then enter in your date range. So for example, if I want to sort this by training number rather than a title, I will click on number. I will then enter the date and click update. And now this will be sorted by the training number. And if I want to sort it the opposite direction, I would click on number again. click update, and now it's sorted the opposite direction. So make sure you are entering make sure that you are selecting which column you would like to sort by and then entering the date range. If you need to print a report, you can simply right click and click print. And if you'd like to export, the first reports of each section typically have these options to export to Excel or view as PDF, but it's a lot quicker and recommended actually to just highlight, copy and paste into Excel or wherever you'd like to paste to. So let's say I only needed um, new hire orientation and orientation, then you can just right click, copy and paste directly into Excel. Just make sure all the column headers are included as well as all the rows you need. And you're all set. Copy, paste, you're done. Back to report menu and you're all done. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day.